place. 3 months to leave again. With more time than money or sense, when we took the journey train. And we sang at night in a doorway of lights. Christ, it must have been a sight to see. Living life in 3-part harmony. Harmony. 3 o'clock and my throat was dry when I first heard the lady sing. The rose in her hair was the price of a song. She wore it like a wedding ring. I can hear her voice in Cathedral Square. Sometimes I hear it across the sea. Dream of life in 3-part harmony. Harmony. She told me of all the places she'd seen. She'd love to see old London town. She thought it best to keep running away instead of turning round. You know the reason took 2 summers to tell. The child that died before it came to be. She never sang in 3-part harmony. 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 Some people say, hey, go back to your own. Some people beg us to stay. Everybody loved the songs, but nobody wanted to pay. There's a traveling man with a child on his back, so tired he could hardly see. He stopped and sang 3-part harmony. Harmony. Took 5 years of the young man's life, raising horses he never could own. He said it's worth the going away to know that it's time to go home. You know he used to dream she'd wait for him, then he faced reality. He stopped and sang 3-part harmony. Harmony.